Technology is like a beam of light, destined to light up the dark and brighten up every life. How can technologies bring greater benefits? And how can high-quality healthcare be equally accessible to all? By making diagnosis more precise, more reliable, more convenient, more intelligent, safer with lower radiation dose, and also more personable. By creating integrated digital communities of healthcare institutions, empowering machines to develop self-evolving intelligence from big data, and thus making healthcare more predictable and predeterminable. These are not just beautiful imaginations. The future we seek is already within reach. We perceive with heart, looking for every subtle yet essential need. We create with innovation, constantly tackling new and critical challenges. We care with empathy, providing medical access that defies the economic and geographical boundaries. This is the true essence of our existence. This is how we shape the future. UIH, passion for change.